What's up guys, welcome back to Static Works. Today we're finally installing another car part on my E46. So I'll let Martin unbox everything that we got and we'll get to the installation.
Why is it already open?
Bro, you can't even wait, dude.
Alright.
I'm gonna fire you.
So I don't know how much this cost Danny, but I think there might be a receipt in here. There isn't. Whatever, he'll tell you right now. You ready?
Oh, what is that? I like the bag that it came in.
I know, it's a nice little throwaway bag.
It's not throwaway. Oh.
Ooh. Steering wheel.
That looks so dope.
It's even signed.
Where's it signed?
Right here, look.
It's engraved, bro.
No, it's signed.
It's called engraving.
Engraving. Alright, so before we go on to how much this cost Danny, here's the, I guess you could call it the hub.
Short hub.
Short hub.
Because it's short, you get it?
Because it's short. He bought it off of eBay, which is still NRG. I mean, you're gonna get good parts off of there. Paid about $100 for this or so.
Yup.
So it should work with that steering wheel. And the steering wheel, he said it was about $220-ish, which is pretty good. So you're looking about a little over $300 for all of this. It's not a quick release like the Infinity has.
We can add it though.
You can add it, but I kind of suggest Danny not, because it kind of sticks a little too much. How far does it stick out?
It sticks about that much.
Yeah, and to me,
like 2 inches.
For me, closer to my chest is kind of not that cool.
You know, accidents, it happens. Real life.
Die.
Real life stuff. I've been in it twice.
You could die. So I like this setup. It's pretty short. It's gonna look good. It also comes with the button for the horn, which I can't get to. Hold on. Childproof.
Childproof, of course, for you.
Here we go. Look at that.
Oh.
So the horn's gonna work. It's gonna look really nice right here. Nice. I like it.
It looks all classic. It looks all classic Euro, bro.
Classic Euro.
EDM.
Idiot.
EDM.
Oh.
Not JDM, bro. Not idiot. Idiot.
Ready?
Yes, you idiot. As Martin said, I did get a Renown or Renown steering wheel. I don't know how to say it. Comment down below if you can correct me. But I did get that, and I did forget to get something really important if you don't like the airbag light. It's these little resistors. I'm not showing you the other side because that's my address. But I did get the resistors separate, and they were really good with customer service. They pretty much emailed me asking me what bill I was gonna put it on, let them know, and they shipped it out with priority shipping 2 days. 2 days, because we were waiting to upload a video for you guys, and they gave us some love. So shout out to Renown or Renown. I'll leave it down in the description what I got and pretty much my whole setup, but we're just gonna install it now. First things first, we're gonna be needing to remove the negative terminal on the battery, which is gonna be in the trunk if you want a BMW. And with every other car, it's obviously gonna be in the front. So it's gonna be right here, and we're gonna be needing a 10 mil. The LED lights interfere with the mic that we have, so we're not gonna show you close up, but pretty much just remove the negative black terminal, not the red one. This is my current setup in my interior. We have the M Sport steering wheel, M Sport seats, and then my dildo shift knob from...
I forgot.
We are likewise.
We are likewise. I have them too. I don't know.
You wanna go show? You wanna go show me dildo too?
It's broken. It doesn't.
They're gonna make fun of us, bro. We're gonna have to make a.
I thought we already made
reading
a video.
hater comments.
We do. Once we get big enough.
Reading negative
so you
comments.
guys need to subscribe and stop commenting stupid shit. At least subscribe if you're gonna comment stupid shit. Hey.
What's up, dude? What are you doing?
Just testing it out.
Oh, this.
My likewise sits on the front. Yours sits on the back, so it's just.
I don't think you should be doing this, bro.
We need to get a better one.
I think we need to talk. Now that we have all the parts laid out on the cart, we're gonna be showing you what pretty much everything is, starting with the energy short hub. The energy short hub is gonna be the first thing going on the steering column. Then after that, we're obviously gonna be installing the steering wheel. These are the resistors to cancel out the airbags. Make sure you put in the proper model of your vehicle on their website. This is gonna be going to the horn, which is gonna be in the back of this. That's pretty much all we're going to need. And the first step is Martin Googling how to do it. Come on, bro, we can do it without it. We can do it without
You need a T30 that's long.
of course, right when we're getting started, something has to go wrong.
We don't have the right tools.
We need a long T30. We only have a short one, and we needed to get it all the way inside the back of the steering wheel. And if we use a short one, it'll fall and just get stuck in there, which is something that we really don't really need, and we want to do it the right way. So a T30 is what you're gonna need for the first step, and I'll link the how to do it down below, and Shop Life does have a good tutorial on how to do it as well, so I'll leave his video too. Wanna know what a full bolt-on Veloster feels like? Do a pull, do a pull. Lowe's, sponsor us, bro.
Maybe we'll get a hookup. We gotta get something for the shop.
I know, the Static Garage shop.
Static garage shop. Static garage. It's already taken. You gotta delete that. Someone already has that name. We were gonna pick that name.
That was gonna be the original name, Static Garage.
But we actually changed it up to Static Works.
So we found the right one. We hope, just because it doesn't have the hole inside the Torx, which we might need, but I doubt it, honestly.
Hopefully, because they don't have shit here.
Lowe's. Let's go to Home Depot.
And if they don't have it there, he's gonna have to wait till I get some at work. So it only took about an hour because Danny kept fucking up.
And the alarm went off.
Checkout.
Trying to accuse me of stealing, bro. I'm tired of this.
We looked more into it, and apparently this is the sport steering wheel
Yeah.
for this type of car, I guess.
And
so
we didn't know that the differences between the sport and the standard was.
the Torx. So this one looks like we only needed a flathead.
That's terrible. We drove for nothing.
Pretty much. You wasted my gas. Now you owe me.
So after long nights and early mornings, we finally got it off. I'm so fucking tired, dude. So pretty much the only problem we had was the only thing that we had to do, which was pretty much take a flathead. You want to get a long one, not a removable one. You don't want this to fall inside the steering wheel, but pretty much jam it in there, literally how the slot is set up, and then you pretty much just have to have a feel for it. Make sure it feels like it's a little spring. Once you have that little spring feeling, just pop that side off, and then vice versa. Sorry we didn't get to show you guys, but as you can see right here, we messed it up pretty bad just trying to remove it. But right now, oh, see that? It's terrible. It's terrible right there. But right now we're just gonna be removing all the sensors for the airbag. Don't listen to us, dude. We're terrible people. There's gonna be sensors here that you wanna undo. You could just use your nail and just have a feel for them until you pull them out. Make sure not to mess anything up. Or if you have Marin as an assistant, you can just use a flathead and pull it out. I'll let Marin do the honors. With the 16mm breaker bar, you wanna remove the middle nut. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You got this. I'll be holding it. Already?
Yeah, that was quick.
Told you BMWs are always
Loose
loose.
in the butt. That seemed pretty easy. I mean, a lot easier than the G.
That's a lot easier. Holy crap, bro.
Damn. BMW.
I like you.
But
Except for that little fuck up right there.
this is stupid.
This is where the slot is. Right there.
So BMW. Oh, here's a good one. As you can tell, I don't know why they put this weird little flap here. Do you care about destroying this?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I was gonna cut it open so we can show you guys.
No.
Oh, let me see the flat. Let's see how this works. Since we'll go on the broken one.
It literally just goes through.
Look at.
And then that's what releases the.
Looks like there's a spring back here.
That's what's gonna release it. Hey, the more you know. Marin's just trying to take off all the wiring and the harnesses so we can see which one is for the airbag.
All I did was, I guess these are the grounds right here for the horn, the button, and the horn itself. Just put it back here, tested it, it worked. So
Tested it?
we testicled it. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. We're just gonna tuck it and hide it, I guess.
And that's pretty much an important factor in this. We looked at other installs and they didn't care to do the horn, but if you want to do the horn and be able to honk at people, that's what you want to do. Would you agree?
Yes.
Sad news, bro. Again.
Bad news. Apparently, first off, this cannot fit back here. And I guess when you have this plugged in, your hub, the hub right here, it actually hits up top, so it doesn't even fit at all. So Danny's gonna have to be rolling without a horn for a while.
That's what you're at for, huh? Right now we're just tightening it with no horn or airbag, sadly, but it's the way we gotta live sometimes. Okay. And then now, I'm gonna put this on, which we're gonna be using these 5 Allen bolts. This is how it looks installed. I really like the way it feels, but when it's turning, it just doesn't feel like the normal one. And I don't know if it's just because we tightened it a certain way, but I'll take it for a drive and see how it feels. The airbag light is obviously on, but it's okay. It was on my G and I didn't really care for it, but the horn doesn't work as well, so I'm gonna try to figure something out with that. But so far so good, and it's a new addition to the interior. What's up, Bruce? Ready to check out the steering wheel?
Yeah, dude. Pretty nice, dude.
Hey, we couldn't get the airbag delete to work.
Good job.
But it still looks dope. You want to be the first one to drive it?
I'm down.
Oof. Looks so clean, bro.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
So the steering wheel was a success, yet a failure, just because I didn't want the airbag light to be on, and it does feel a little weird according to Bruce, and I did feel it when I was playing with it in the driveway. But I'm gonna take it for a drive right after, and hopefully everything looks good. So this is where we're gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, I'll leave everything down in the description, and I hope this helps some of you E46 bros trying to install a steering wheel. It was confusing to us at first that if you have a non-sport steering wheel, then you have to use a Torx, I think a Torx 30 or a 30 Torx, and if you have the sport one like mine, you need a flathead. So don't waste your money on buying Torx if you don't need it. I have the Pelican parts tutorial down below, because that's what helped me out more than any videos. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.